We're here at the Hyatt place here in Normal, Illinois. We got some KONEs. With the KSS 140. Slow door. Tall cab. Let's go up to 8. KSS 140. Here we go. I bet this key card reader right here is for the one door, the rear floor. Yep. Call locked. These things are very fast. Well, alright, up to 8. We'll switch up there. Close the door. Close the door. Go up to 8. These are very nice elevators. Bet the rear door is going to open. Yep. Oh, there we go. What floor are you going to?
It was fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Fifth floor. She's 5th floor?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. All those buttons. Certificate up there. Nice chimes. Very nice and tall elevators. Alright, let's go down to 1. Ice machine is located on those floors. Certificate. You're going 2 or 1?
Yes, 2. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. KSS 140. Very nice. That's not open. Going up. Come on in. What floor?
5, please.
Just 5?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Wouldn't it be on one? Just gonna look a close look at this button, see. I really like the custom bail design. There's a secret to get there. Excuse me. That's like driving. And there goes the elevator. Take a look at this flow indicator. And there you have it. There's some nice KONE elevators for this hotel. That looked delicious. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.